Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Verma. This is a question from data structure. The elements, so there are certain elements which are given, are inserted one by one. Means all these elements are inserted one by one in a given order. So we need to follow the order which is given into the max heap. Max heap means where on the top we are having is largest element, that is called max heap. So first of all we need to construct the max heap by inserting these elements one by one. We will start with the first element, that is 42. So 42 will become the root element. Next element is 25. We always start inserting from left to right. Means first of all we need to fill the left child. So here on the left we have inserted 25. As we know it is the max heap, means we should be having the maximum element, means largest element on the top, then second largest and so on. So here the property follow 42 is greater, then afterward 25. So no problem, it is following the max heap property. Then afterward is 30. Now we are inserting towards right hand side. So here 30 will come on right. Here also we can see that 42 is greater than 25 and 30. That means max heap property is followed. The next element is 40. We know that we will insert from left to right. So here left element is 25 and here left we are having is 40. So here 40 will be inserted. Now we are checking is it the max heap. So on the top we have 42 which is the largest, no problem. Now on second level we should be having the 2 second largest, but here we can see that 40 is coming after 25 but 40 should be above. So here this is not following the max heap property, so 40 should be above. That's why we need to swap these two elements. So 42 and 30 they will remain as it is and 25 and 40 will be swapped. For the better understanding we are creating diagram one more time. So here 42 and 30 are as it is. Now the swapped elements. So here we will be having 40 first, then we will be having 25. So here we can see that largest element 42 on the top, then next to largest, then so on. So it is max heap. Now insert the next element which is 22. So here on the left hand side we have the element. Now on the right hand side is the turn. So 22 will come here. Again check, is it a max heap? On the top largest element 42, then next level next to largest, then afterward. So no problem because 40 is greater than 25 and 22. Next element is 35. So here 35 will come at the left hand side because we know that we will go from left to right. Now again we are checking, is it a max heap? 42 is largest on the top. Next level should be 2 largest, but here 40 is okay. 35 should come above because 35 is greater than 30. So parent should be 35. In that case we need to swap these two elements 35 and 30, and remaining elements like 42, 40, 25 and 22 they will remain as it is. So for the better understanding we are creating diagram one more time. So these are the elements which are as it is. Now 35 will come above and 30 will come down in the same order. So here 35 will come on the right hand side of 42 and on left of it we will be having 30. Here we can see that largest element 42 on the top, then next to largest 40 and 35, then afterward remaining element. So this is the max heap. Now afterward we have next element which is the last, that is 26. So here on the right we will be having 26. And we can see that largest on the top, then next to largest, then after that all elements. So this is the max heap. There are some important points about the max heap, that the largest element should be on top, then next largest, and so on. And when we are inserting into max heap, always follow from left to right. Now we are going back to the question. The resultant max heap, so the max heap which we have constructed is resultant, is stored in an array implementation. So that means this max heap which we have constructed, that we need to store. So for storing we should be going breadth first search, that means level by level. So first of all we are going on the first level, so here 42 will come. Now we can see that in all the answers we have 42. Then we should be going to the next level, that is 40 and 35. So here 40 and 35, that is coming into C and D. That means A is not the answer, B is not the answer. Answer will be out of C and D. Then afterward we are going to the next level, which is 25, 22, 30 and 26. So that will be 25, 22. So these are same in both the options, but 30 and 26, that is into the D. So that means C is not the answer, but D is the correct answer. So here D is the correct answer. Here we have traversed level by level. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.